So check it out. I was able to restore another one of the Ives locomotives from a recent purchase. This one's the Ives 1120. It had been painted, so I just took some flat black and painted everything. And I also, they painted the windows red, and I kind of liked it, so I just touched up what whoever had done it before. And then they painted a number on the side, so I painted over that. And I used some decals to make it look a little bit more original and painted on some gold paint. And of course the railings were missing, as were the little cotter pins that hold them in, so I made some new ones from, I used the surveyor stake, the metal from those surveyor flags, and I painted it gold. And I polished up the coupler, and there's of course I put a new headlight in it. And there's also an interior cab light in these, which is kind of neat. The only thing missing now is it's missing the drive rods, which I hope I can find some eventually for it, because I think it's just a neat little locomotive. And I didn't give it much of a train because I know these are almost 100 years old, so I didn't want to tax it too much. And I'm not going to run it very long, but I just thought I'd show you it running. I was so happy when I fixed the armature, the solder was missing on all three of the poles of the armature, so I resoldered the wires, and now it runs great. So here we go. Try turning the camera a little bit more this way so you can see a little bit more of it. Amazing after almost 100 years how well these things still run. And this pass around, I'll pick the camera up. Here we go. See the little cab light in there. I got the caboose light, but I need to get a bigger bulb for it. And we'll put it back down. We'll slow it down just a little bit. Now we'll give it one more lap. I'm hoping to be able to find the answer to the motor brush issue with these. I hope I can find some replacements. But for now, you can see it's running really good, and I think I got it looking really good. Really cleaned it up nice, and I'll see if I can get some replacement drive rods for it. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.